Okay. Are you clear on this LTPP and VWAP? Are you clear on this?
Not clear on VWAP. One more time.
So VWAP is a volume weighted average price where the most of the trades happened. Okay, like the 84.7 is the point where the most of the trades most of the volume traded. So the less difference between the LTP and VWAP is good for us to take entry. Let's say if the stock, if difference is more than 5 to 7%, it has a chance of retracing back to a VWAP. I'll show you some example later on that. So this is the difference between your VWAP LTP. You got it now?
Sir, if the stock is already moved more than 5 to 7%, then we should wait for retesting VWAP, or we can just enter?
No, for positional you can enter. For for intraday you cannot enter. For now, sometimes what will happen, right, in the same stock, right? Today, like it happened, the logos machine we traded for intraday as well as positional. Okay. So for intraday, if the difference is huge, like you don't go for the intraday. But positional, it has no value with this VWAP. You can still go for the positional.
So, sir, suppose in this case the breakout level is 86.7. So we can enter at 86.8 as soon as it crosses 86.7.
For positional.
For positional, right, sir?
Yeah, for positional. Okay. But in case triggered, you can enter straight away for positional.
Right.
I'll cover the intraday separately. You'll get all these things separately. Okay. In this case,
and sir, what about the SL?
Hey, I am coming to the spot. Please wait. Okay. If you see this alert, right? See here, where is this green line? Did you see this line? The blue line? The series, sorry, green line.
Yes,
so
sir. Yes.
I saw around 30.42.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is the approximate stop loss for that trade. Whenever a candle, weekly candle, close this green bottom line, which is this green line is nothing but a super trend 10,1.
Mute it, everyone, sir.
Can you please mute everyone?
Bro, நீங்க எல்லாத்தையும் மியூட் பண்ணலாம் bro.
Okay. This is the bottom line, right? The green line is the stop loss for when the alert is triggered. Let's say if you take this positional trade, right? You'll take this part. Okay. Whenever today the logos mechanism is triggered like positional, you see where is this the blue line, which is nothing but a super trend 10,1. Okay. If you go to a Zerodha or whatever you are using, Zerodha or whatever it is, there will be an indicator called super trend. Just add that indicator to your weekly candle, and the parameter is 10,1. Add that parameter. Now, when alert is triggered, right, you no need to wait for me to provide stop loss or target. Just look at this super trend value. Let's say when the alert is triggered, the approximate stop loss would be around 76.66. Okay, this is approximate stop loss. Whenever once the stock is triggered, that alert, whenever a candle, weekly candle, please note weekly candle, close this super trend 10,1, and we will exit partial quantity, 50% quantity. And if the candle, the low is broken, for example, in this case, right? Let's say if it has broken this level, right? In this level, let's say if the breakout happened around this level, okay. Then the first candle close below the super trend is this one, the black candle. Whenever the candle close below super trend, we will exit partial quantity, and if the low is broken, we will exit completely. We don't carry that position. When alert is triggered, if you look at, let's say 86.7 is the breakout level, and the stop loss in the blue line around is 76. So approximately 10 points stop loss. So you can calculate according to your risk management. You can calculate how much quantity you can enter on this stock. This can vary. Like next day if it goes 105, then this blue line it will move to a 80 or 81. It moves up, okay, upward. So the stop loss we keep on reducing that. So you can adjust that, trade. You can adjust your trade accordingly. All clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
No, you no need to wait for me to tell the exact where you need to keep stop loss, where you need to put profit on that. Whenever your stock reach around 20 to 25%, book partially. Then carry remaining quantity with the 50, with the entry, or you can keep a super 10.1 as a stop loss.
For
sir,
positional trades.
one question, sir.
Yes, yeah.
One question actually, just, what I want to ask is the stop loss for intraday will be different, positional will be different, right?
Yeah, yes, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, you can ask all the stop loss questions, target question, end of the session.
Okay, fine.
Okay, I'll explain whatever I have to me. Then you have questions, you can ask me at the end of the session.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is the for a weekly alert. So simply you can use this super 10,1 as a parameter and keep allocate the portion size accordingly. Trial with the same parameter. Are you clear? All clear with the positional trading?
Excuse me, sir. Actually, can you show this chart in Zerodha app also? Actually, most of the traders use Zerodha app, na? That's why.
And sir, I think the same chart will come under the trading view.
Yeah, even trading view, you will get everything like you go to.
Because in your chart it's white and red, na, and
no problem. Yeah, I'll show you. I know.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
So all these stocks belong to Nifty 500 category.
No.
Okay.
Sir, also show us how to add super trend 10.
No. Yeah. Coming to this point, please.
Sarji.
So just let's say Logesh mechanic, go to this one.
Sarji, will you mention the stock for the intraday and the positional separately?
Yeah, please allow me a time. Sometime I'll cover what I need. Then you'll ask every questions. Okay, you are asking all the questions upfront. Okay, I'm going to cover all those points in this session. Okay.
And then I'll ask your
Yeah.
question at the end of the session.
I'll come to every all your questions. Okay. Then go to just let's say this one. Go this one. Go to super trend. Okay, select the super trend.
So
Apply a 10,1. Okay, the parameter, the period is 10 and 1. Okay, that's it.
What is it, sir? The period and what is it?
Sorry.
Can you again open the super trend set?
It's a 10,1.
Yeah. So what is it, sir? 10,1.
So 10 is we are taking for the 10 candles. Okay, the multiplier some like we'll add some standard deviation and etc. Okay, just Google around what is super trend, you will come to know all those. Then if you see here, okay, did you see the 76.6?
yes.
All clear? Okay, whenever you take trade, assume that your stop loss would be around, it cannot be exact. Okay, it will be around 76. So the stop loss point would be 10 points. So you can take the quantity accordingly.
Sir, for intraday, the stop loss is 76.61 or for positional?
Hello, please allow me. You are clear with it? Are you clear with the weekly positional alert? This is clear, right? Weekly alert with the positional, you are clear, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll come to your intraday. Don't confuse that with positional trades. This is for totally for positional. So stop loss is 10 points. Like all are clear with the positional trades now?
Yeah, it is clear.
Yes,
okay.
Yeah.
Now let's go with the intraday. I'll take one example today. What happens?
So sir, in every chart we will have the SL as highlighted in the chart.
Sorry.
So basically, I'm saying that in every chart,
No,
we will have the
in this
SL.
case, right? If you look, if you don't have time to verify this this one, like right, come open the chart and where is the super trend 10,1, right? Simply in this case today it's not triggered with the this one like chart, but there was some issues. You can see this is the green line, right? This is a super trend 10,1. In this case for Eros media, like it will be around, it was around like 30.42. You simply use this for your quantity calculations. You no need to open Zerodha and IX and all. So it's all there in that chart itself.
Yeah, so that's the same.
Is it
I was
possible,
saying
sir,
that.
if you could, I mean, while you are sharing this detail, if you could just add that positional, this will be a stop loss, and for intraday, this will be the stop loss. I mean, like you're providing all this detail.
Yeah. Please. Few minutes. I'll cover my points. Then I'll come to all questions.
Yeah. Sorry. You can go
guys, wait. Let the Bala finish his presentation. Then ask your questions one by one.
Okay. This is for the totally positional. You are clear on this word. What is LTP? What is VWAP? What is breakout level? What is UC level? What is volume? You are clear now, right?
Yes.
What is alert type?
Yes.
Yeah. What is alert type? What is that is triggered and get ready. It's all done now. Now let's go to intraday. Like intraday, mostly I'll give call. Okay, like whenever I used to buy, don't it's not like advisory service, right? I don't say like buy at 86, stop loss is 84 and target is 94. Okay, we don't provide such calls, but because right time being right, these are like momentum calls. Whenever I see like the price is moving around 86, if I go and type hey buy lowest make and 86, stop loss 84 and target is 94, by the time the stock will be around 90. So if I post that message, like you will feel, hey, this guy already posting the message after the stock has run for 90. So what I do, right? Basically, whenever I take entry of any stock, let's say in this case, right? You can see what is my order time. Around I have placed around 937. Okay. Around 300 quantity, 86.19. I bought this. Immediately, I don't go and buy. I'll type and all. It will take 20 to 30 seconds to type. Before that, the stock will run. So I just take the screenshot of that one and I'll paste in the group. As soon as you see this one, right, you can go and buy that stock. How do you defend stop loss? One thing, like as soon as you see open that trade of the stock, you can go check where is your VWAP. In this case, around I posted around 937, which is I think around 935. Yeah, this is candle. Okay, in this candle, if you look at the VWAP is around 85. Okay, we bought around 86.2 and VWAP is 85. If any candle blows this VWAP and breaks, we exit. This is the stop loss for intraday.
So please repeat.
Okay, let me open the Zerodha chart itself. Let's open the 5-minute chart. I gave around 9. So I can see that is my order time is 9037, and the same screenshot pays at 937. Here, if you see this one stock, as soon as I entered, I'll post in the group. You can go and buy the stock for intraday. By the time you can see around this is the candle I posted for buying. Okay, around 937. You can see where is this VWAP. This is not the one. Like go and let me add. Let me remove this super trend. Add VWAP. VWAP. Add that for add VWAP. In this candle, the VWAP value is around what is the value? Around 85. So the stop loss would be around 1.2 rupees. We close any candle, we exit our position if any candle close below this VWAP and it breaks. So we exit from the intraday. We don't carry that position, or we don't hold for with some expectation. Are you clear on this point? For
So we need
position
to wait for the closing on 5-minute time frame.
Yeah. Hello.
bro கொஞ்சம் திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
Bala,
Yes.
if it closes below VWAP,
Hmm.
let's say it's a fake breakdown and it again goes back above VWAP in the next 5
No,
minute
we
candle.
cannot be, we don't wait for, with, hold the position with hope. Okay, let's follow the rules. We are making money.
No,
Okay.
I am saying that if it closes below VWAP and you exit, take a stop loss, okay?
No, that candle has to be broken down. Let's say.
Yeah. So I'm saying it closes below VWAP
Mm.
and we hit a stop loss. Okay.
Okay.
And let's
Do we
say,
wait?
let me finish, please.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
let's say in the next candle, it again goes up the VWAP. I mean, we took a stop loss, but in the next 5 minute candle, it again goes up.
But
the VWAP.
there should be some consolidation. Okay, I'll come to that one by one. That's if you're just like that, you're going from bottom to up, like we don't buy that one. So
okay.
So we'll wait. There are 100 of stocks we'll get every day. Like we used to get 20 to 30 alerts. Okay, there we'll wait for next. Why we need to chase the same alert? We wait for the next. I'll show. So in the end of session, you understand all those things. This is the approximate, like what at this point of that call, right? What you need to understand, there is your VWAP. That is the point you have to capture here. Okay, once you know the approximate VWAP value, you can define your quantity size. Maybe here in this case, right, 1.2 rupees approximately. You consider as a 1.5 rupees. Let's say your risk for the day, the 1,500. So your quantity size would be around 1,000 for that trade. Are you clear this?
Bro, target.
Hey, I'll come to that one. Are you clear on this stop loss?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
bro.
You all clear? Then these are your momentum stocks. Okay, we don't book with the target 1 or 2%. What we do, like we exit for 4 to 5%, 50% quantity, and we remain will remaining quantity we carry based on the trend. Let's say in this case, right, if you here is I posted this around 9:37. Then I posted that time, like sales stop loss around 83.45. Then meantime I told them to add Sram Industries, keep in watch. Okay, I told them like that. I added a small quantity at 137.6. Then around 9:48 I pinged everyone because to book low gaze, because it's already reached more than say 8 to 8% around so I told them to book 50% quantity. So around that time it was around 95 or 94. So even I posted that my partial quantity is registered at 93.5 because we already booked around 6 or 7%. This is the first target for intraday concern. We'll book. No, you no need to wait for my alert or update. You calculate approximately 4 to 5% and book 50% quantity. Even then, if it again it comes to hit our stop loss, no, we no need to worry about that one. Other part is once the 50% is done, you can move your stop loss to cost for the remaining quantity, so that we can ride the trend. Are you clear this part? The first part.
Yes,
bro.
Clear, bro.
Okay. Then, so here, right? So I told them like, I told them in this case, right here, here I told them like to add Srayman just around 135 if price sustains. But I see, right, when the price came to 135, the price was like, I saw huge red bar, right? I told them to not add around 135. And so I told them to exit around 135 for the, even I posted that screenshot right here, right? If you see, this candle is close to below VWAP. Okay, this is the first line is the VWAP. So once it's broken, I have exited. Even if you post here, I think I'll tell you here. Okay, I booked around 291. I got 100 quantity. I booked loss of 291 rupees. Then for the target 2, I told around like 10-6 told them hold low case remain quantity for the upper circuit, because I saw the price action was sustaining good, and I saw it was a very good breakout. So I told them to wait. So what we did, like we carried the remaining quantity, because here like the 97.25 is the upper circuit. That then I told them to exit around 96.8 intraday players. The remaining I will be carrying the quantity for the since UC done. Okay, so it's already hit the UC, then I carried the remaining quantity. If the stock is not performing well, the remaining quantity will exit on the end of the day. Will exit the remaining quantity. If stock goes for the upper circuit, we will carry for the next day. Sometimes what will happen? It opens the next day also in upper circuit. So we'll book around 20 to 30% in BTSD as well. Are you clear on this one?
Yes.
It's all clear right now.
Yeah, Bala,
Clear.
there is one question about this. Okay, this is the small cap scripts or maybe sometime mid cap scripts, right? Always maximum time it hit the upper circuit or lower circuit. So we put the stop loss on between the lower circuit space, right? But in upper circuit, it will reach. How order man will be trade?
Sorry, I didn't go to your question.
In upper circuit is these stocks have the upper circuit. It never open in same day. Okay, it will open in next day. Because this is all small caps and sometime a mid cap. So I just have a question that if upper circuit will hit, so my order I put the for sale for intraday, how it will execute or not? It's a question.
So it will be executed, right?
It will be executed on the what the price I will put. It will execute it or not? Because I never trade in the upper circuit stock any.
Bro,
okay.
illa bro,
It will be executed.
It will be executed. It's,
bro,
you need to
bro.
worry one. Yeah.
Bro,
For
illa
the
bro,
upper
enna
circuit, it
kekrarana?
will be executed.
For upper circuit,
Basically,
you'll
at
have
upper
only
circuit,
buyers.
only
Only
buyers.
You'll have
buyers are there, and there are no sellers, so that's why
seller.
it will be executed.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Pala sir, I have one question. Actually, you show us one intraday position here, and in that position, we can't wait for the breakout. We just buy the stock before breakout. And you also told us that VWAP difference will not be more than 5% for intraday. If it is 2 or 1.5 something, then it will be okay. We can go for the intraday. But there is no rule for the breakout level or not. Means we can just enter in the stock for the intraday.
See, there are two type orders, right? In whatever the positional trades, whatever talks alerts coming in the positional trade, we wait for the breakout level.
Yeah,
but
for
sometimes
positional, sir, just a minute. I just want to solve my query only. I have just question. I think same questions will be in other minds also. Actually, for example, Eros Media, for example, there is breakout level is 36.8.
Correct,
so for example, and VWAP difference is 1.4%. So it means that we can, if we can place an order 36 for example 37, we can place an order if we want to go for the positional, because the VWAP is also not more than 5%, right? For example, I have placed a order in Zerodha for the 37 rupees 100 quantity, and it will be executed. So it means that it will be for positional, not for intraday, right?
Yeah. So see, like sometimes, like so all depends on the like, right. This case, right? In this case, Eros Media, I don't trade on an intraday. Are you clear on this one? Because the stock is already moving for last 2 to 3 days. Okay. Even I was set around 33 last week, but I missed somehow. Okay. This stock was almost going upper running for 2 to 3 days. But
no, it is a weekly candle.
This is a weekly candle. But I trade in weekly alerts too in intra if the consolidation is too good. In this case, what I'll do, I'll place if, like, let's say I have I have planned for buy 50 quantity for positional. I used to buy, if the breakout is too good, I'll buy 150 quantity, I'll exit 100 quantity on intraday, I'll carry the remaining 50 quantity for the positional. The same happened to a location machine as well. Like if you look at this one, right? If you this was almost last 2 to 3 months. It was consolidating like anything. So my plan was to, I don't trade 300 quantity per positional. So I traded 300 quantity today because I want to exit 200 quantity in an intra and hold 100 quantity for the positional. That's what we did today. It's all depends on that breakout level. But if you look at, you can find the difference between this consolidation and erosion media consolidation. It was running all the last 2 to 3 weeks.
Parabolic move.
Yeah. So it's all, the stocks coming in a weekly areas also can be traded in a intraday as well. But it's all depends on the breakout and how it consolidates for a while. Maybe
So
if
it means that we have to watch chart again and again for taking any position in any share.
No, like for whatever is coming in the weekly alert, you can go for weekly. There is no doubt about it. But like according to your capital, according to your risk management, you can go for the weekly alerts. But in case of intraday, you need to check the chart whether the breakout coming after some consolidation. If coming out after some consolidation, you can go for the intraday as well.
So even if it's a parabolic move, we enter if it's like consolidating after breakout level.
If after breakout level is consolidates for 30 to 40 minutes and for within the range of 1 or 2%, then you can buy above that day high.
Okay.
Clear on that?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, for example, if you have posted a call and you told the alert type is get ready, it means that we have to add that stock in our watch list.
And keep ready. Or you can, like it will, sometimes it will hit in 1 or 2 minutes. Sometimes it will take 10 to 15 minutes to hit, to go for break the breakout level.
For example, sir, for location and price comes to your breakout level and after that it may be happening that price will go down. Then our order will be executed because you told us now we have to place a order after breakout, means 0.23
No, you can place this SL order, right? SLM order, right? SL SL limit order, right? Once in after the breakout.
Sorry, just a minute. Can you show me the location chart just for 1 minute?
Okay.
We have to set the chart for 5 minutes, right?
Correct.
And
this is 5 minutes.
whenever the stock price comes to breakout level 86.2, and we have to just place an order. When you drop a call like location get triggered, get ready means we have to add that stock in our watch list, right?
Correct,
and
exactly.
Get triggered means the stock have break the breakout level, right?
Yeah, that is the same thing happened to this one, right? Like erosion media, it's already triggered, right?
Means triggered means we can enter it for the positional if
Correct.
the VWAP difference is less than 5%, right?
No, don't consider for the we don't consider VWAP for the positional. Okay, that is not
okay. So if we as soon as we get the alert type triggered, then it means that we can enter into that stock, right?
Correct. Yeah, for positional.
For positional.
Correct.
And we can set a GTT order also, right? If you are sharing.
But like sometimes, right? What will happen, right? Let's say stock is trading 120. Let's say the breakout level is 140.
Yep.
So approximately the breakout happened, the stock can jump from 120 to 140 in a minute. Okay.
Like yesterday.
Just please wait, man. Let me clarify. Okay. Let everyone understand this concept. Okay. The breakout level is 140, and your entry current you have set the GTT order at 140. The stock currently trading at 120. If the stock can hit 140 in a minute. Okay. Also, it can go and 135 and trade for 1 or 2 days around 135, and it can break 140. Actually, okay, you understand this concept. The stock will consolidates around 135, has a good chance of going upper. The stock coming from 120 have a less chance of getting, going for the higher levels. Are you clear this?
Okay, so basically you are saying that we should wait for your alert that it is triggered, and then we should enter to the trade.
Correct. Yeah, don't run in upfront, because the consolidation should be there around breakout level,
understood.
which can give good moves for you.
Okay.
Because if you sometimes what will happen, there will be some operator moves. Okay, then it will go from 120, it will go and hit your 140, then it will come back to 120.
Yeah,
it will happen to many. Okay, even it happened to me as well. So don't do any GT order for that case.
Sir, very small question, sir. Now, when you send get ready, you said that we need to keep in watch list.
Correct.
But will you send again saying that it is triggered?
No, I can send alert, but I don't want to, because so too many alerts, people are working from office, they get some unwanted notifications.
So basically, very simple words I will tell you, sir. Get ready. Okay, in Lokesh machine you have 84.03. If it is 84.5, I will trigger it. Is it okay?
No, bro. Actually, get ready means no.
You need to wait for the breakout.
I will wait for the breakout, boss.
Yeah.
But the breakout will be above 84.03, right?
You can just place the SLML order at 86.8.
Let's say in this case, right? You want to get okay, let's say simply when I get your 83. So hey, one second. So here, right, Lokesh case we got 83.6.3. Breakout levels 86.7. What you can do, you can go and click on this buy, place SLF type order.
Yes, sir.
Trigger price is 860.75. Let's say 5% band. Okay. Limit is 87. Okay. So this will trigger your trade between 86.75 to 87.
Okay, done.
You are clear this part?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is for intraday. This is for intraday. If you say
even why can't you place this for positional?
Position also same, huh? Okay.
Yeah, position also same.
Okay.
Sir, sometime you just post in your group, just add this stock in your watch list. Like today, you just mentioned Edge White House in your watch list. How to trade these stocks, because you never mentioned.
One second, I'll cover all this alerts I given in the Telegram today. Okay, then we'll come to this point, right? Intraday profits. Then okay, here to UC, I told carrying the remaining quantity. Then around here, I told to add man cheffer, right in the cap have in watch. Don't enter for now. I'll update. Okay. In this case, if price sustains and if the trend is confirmed, I'll again give update if I enter the calls. So in this case, you can buy. Otherwise, you can have just in the watch list, because after if I update after the trend is confirmed, you may not get time to add and place orders. Okay. Clear?
Yeah, got it.
Okay. Then around 10:33, told them to buy trade. I mistaken here, instead of why I put it's a typo error. Long at 43.8. Here, the breakout was good, so I told them to have for intraday as well as the positional quantity. So I added around 500 quantity here, so that intraday I can carry something for positional as well. Because I posted the chart for this bike. Here I told that the typo, this one. Okay, then poster. Here I already updated here, if 4% is done, book partially. Because that time market was making new lows, so I told them book around 4%. Then it was moved around 4%. I booked 50%. I told them book everything. Booked 5% on this bike. Then on other case, right? And then posted sugar stocks running. Okay, this I'll come to the
yes, sir, right.
Okay, then I'll come to that. Here, right? I told them I'm expecting UC on this too. Okay, in bike. So to hold in, so hold the remaining quantity with 43.95 stop loss. Then revised stop loss is around 44.95. Then it hits upper circuit. Then we carried the quantity. I clearly, in this case, right, in this Veritas, I told them keep I first swing. This is not for intraday or not for intraday. This is for a 1 or 2 weeks holding. Let's say if you're a few weeks back, I think Jagan posted that screenshot as well. I told, what is the stock? I forgot name. Vibe Global or something. Gave around 335 to no, 435. Yesterday it gave 435. Today it made around 510. Okay, this is being booked according to this swing trade. Maybe according to your comfort, level, you can take those trades. This is
we can just buy this on market price also.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is why, right? See, this is stocks I trade, and stocks I trade only. I post it here. I don't trade. I don't go extra.
We didn't know that we need to buy. So at least if you can write there buy for 2 weeks or something, that is okay. Or else if you write like swing, then we will think that it is 1 to 2 weeks from now. Okay.
Okay. See, this is the things, right? Look, I was see, this is all traders won't like swing trades at all. Some will like positionals, and some for like only intraday. So many, even like I don't trade positional mostly. I close 80 to 90% close intraday. So like these are stocks showing some momentum. So just I'll post for update. Whoever interested can take it. Who can afford that a small loss. So you can check the major swing points that were, let's say, if you look at this Veritas, right? Let's go open the chart.
Sir, एक बार ये जो trigger price और market price के साथ order place किया था आपने.
See, this is stop loss. I keep at least minimum of 94.5. So you can adjust your quantity accordingly. This is big candle. Safe stop loss would be around 86. There was so many good trades running, swing trades running last few weeks, very good. So this is how I trade. One can, this is the swing trades are like it totally depends on their wish. If you like what I'm telling here is this stock is showing some momentum. If you like, you can take it. This is like totally there is no the stop loss and the target you can define around approximately. If you get swing trades, right, if you get 10 to 15% in 1 or 2 days, you can book and exit for that day, that one.
So for swing trades, we need to take that bottom curve as a stop loss.
Like it's a depends on the candle. Like maybe like I try to add some concept on that. For now, I don't have any for the swing trades. The concept I'll cover maybe sometime later on that one.
Okay.
Okay, this is for the swing trades. So here, like he told, buy call circuit, upper circuit, hold the remaining quantity. Okay, that's all done here. Today trade's done because I wanted to test, some of the alert system today. This is are you all clear with this? How to trade on this intraday and positional alerts?
Clear, bro.
It's all clear right now.
Yeah, clear, bro. Yeah,
bro. One more thing. That is positional means 1 week holding, right?
Sorry.
Positional trading means 1 week holding.
It's not a dependency. See, like let's say here, right? If you took Zuari, right? We gave Monday or something. We exited the next day itself. Okay. It all depends.
I got it.
Even like right, sometimes like I think 2 weeks back, it's a depends. Like GMDC, like I gave around 2 months back. It's around 78 or something. Today it's a 210. Okay. So 3x. If you exit on the next day itself, you don't use that moves. So like it's like if you get 10 to 20 to 30% in 1 or 2 days or 10 days, just book partially. Have the remaining quantity. Have remaining quantity with your cost as a stop loss. Simple.
Okay, got it.
Sir, what I'm saying is, this is a small request. Intraday, I know you cannot give when to sell, when to buy everything because you don't have time. But for positional, at least after the end of the day at 3:20 or something, at least you tell us that the positional.
Even I am clearing, like in this session I'm clearing. Okay. For target, if you get 20 to 30% in 1 or 2 weeks or whenever you get, just exit 50% quantity.
Okay.
Simple and clear. And the next 50% quantity, just have with super 10, 10,1 If you look at this one, right? Let's open this GMDC chart.
Sir, 10,1 is stop loss, right?
Hey, 1 second, 1 second. Let's come to this one, like, right? GMDC. Just one example I'm showing. Did you see any close? The once this 78 break happened, did you see any close below this super trend?
No.
No.
Okay. So how this is way that you can ride your trend. Okay. Just target 20% exit, remaining 20 to 25% or 30% exit, remaining quantity just carry with the super trend 10 your stop loss. So you cannot, if you exit on a next day, you cannot catch such a moves.
Agree.
Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear.
Any weekly candle close below the super trend 10-1, then we will have to exit.
Correct. Yeah. So
And sir,
sometimes
when
it's sometimes two things, right? One, if candle close, you can exit 50% quantity, and you can exit another 50% quantity if the low is broken. Sometimes what will happen, right? One candle will close below that one until next day it will jump up.
which low, sir? Which means you told
See,
us na?
This candle closed, right? The black candle.
Yes.
If the low is, what is the low? You can see here, right? The low is 67.6. If the 67 point low is broken, like you can exit remaining quantity.
So we need to wait for one more week.
No, the next day, if low, Monday also you can break the previous day low, right?
Okay, we can. Okay.
And when you type long, it means for positional.
Positional, yes.
Okay. For positional, if we want to exit, then we have to watch out daily basis, weekly candle.
No, weekly basis. Weekly basis.
Super trend 10-1. And for intraday, we have to watch
the
VWAP.
major role intraday for major role is VWAP. Okay.
VWAP, if it close below, if a 5-minute candle close below VWAP,
The low is
then we have to exit.
You know, see, you no need to wait. Today I got around 10 to 15 messages saying that where is stop loss, where is target, what is target. You don't need to wait for me or my update. See, like I'm not a full-time trader. I too working in office. Okay, I need to manage my office work as well. Okay, I need to manage all these trades, and simultaneously I will be watching hundred charts. Every day night
one confusion in all our minds is there. When to exit, when to enter for intraday, and when to enter for positional. Positional, it's okay if it break, if you post the message triggered.
For intra, I am giving you the alert, right? Intra for I am sharing in my alert site.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can trade on that one. But the positional, I clearly told. See, in this case, no triggered. Positional, you are clear. The same positional charts can be traded in intraday as well. If you, So here, right, you can. That's what I told. Already cleared your doubts. Here, the stock has already ran for 2 to 3 days. In this case, we don't enter for intraday. In this case, but this logos mechanism is already consolidated for 2 to 3 months. Then we'll enter for the intraday as well in the stock.
So we need to see the consolidation on weekly time frame or daily time frame will also.
No, I don't. I never use a daily. Okay, it's purely intraday. It's a weekly, and the intraday is a 5 minutes time frame.
Okay.
So all clear now?
Yes.
Okay. This is done, right? Then, so if you don't have access to this one, go and click on this.
One question, like how these levels are coming.
Sir, and what is that miscellaneous?
That is secret.
Like
if you have
in your earlier video, you have mentioned that you are checking last 10 weeks candle range, and if today's Tuesday, so you are checking Monday range also. And
you know how many of you surprised? You are surprised, right?
Yes.
To create this 10 analysis, like if you see here, right? I'll show you here. Anyone not logged in, just create your account. You can log into this website as well. Okay, you can see these 3 alerts have triggered today. So total alerts prepared, right? Total alerts I created 20. This I have created alerts for all these 20 today. So I don't know which one will trigger, which triggers will take. For example, Cupid, this is the breakout level. Enil, this is the breakout level. Eros Media, this is the breakout level. So I created 20. You know how many charts I analyzed to create this 20? You can see count here. 780 starts yesterday night I studied. Okay.
790 stocks.
789 stocks I studied to create this 20 alerts. It will take daily 3 to 4 hours for me to create this alerts.
Got it, sir. Got it. So this
is not the simple. This is not the simple alert like yes,
yeah,
you think.
Yeah, because the algorithm will show, but before that, lot of work is there.
So you are just seeing the front end. Okay, we are not seeing in the back end what happens. So you are just seeing the screen.
So you are just tracking momentum stocks, right, sir?
This is a positional trades. Momentum is a different logic.
Sir, when you post momentum type, then it means for intraday.
That's purely for intraday. And sometimes if again like today, if stocks hit in a UC, then we will carry for the next day. BTST or 1 or 2 days holding will carry. It's based on the trend. Let's say somebody like right, if people are asking like once the alert is triggered at 87, like what is target? If I say target is 94, let's say if some Ukraine or Russia was concept, if stocks not hitting us at 94, still you hold it. See, it's all that they will define according to the market conditions where the NIFTY goes and all will define dynamically. We don't, have any prefixed target. We'll drive according to the market conditions.
Sir, when you post a momentum type alert, then when you post as soon as we can enter into the stock, we are at the same price, whatever the price it will be.
No, that's momentum stocks. I'll post the my trades, right? You can take around that if the price is around that level. Sometimes even even if you are taking that screenshot itself, the stock will run 1 or 2%. In that case, just you can avoid, wait for the next one.
Okay.
Because my question was same for swing stocks. Swing stocks, if you give, should we buy any market price or?
Yeah, you can market the same. See the price is around the same level. You can go for the.
But we don't know the level, right? For example, Vertos you gave, we don't know what level.
If the stock is not right, so I'll say you here, right? Let's take the next day, right? Let's take the previous day, April 41st. Now, in that case, I'll mention clearly here. This one, not miscellaneous. I'll take yesterday evening. I gave around this one, right? Post car around I given at 1526. BTST you can buy only if you get around 392, 394. Okay. If you see ghost car. Today it went around 444. It's almost 10% up. But we missed it because we didn't get the price. It came to around 397 or something. We missed it totally. We no need to worry about this. It's already done. We have so many options. We no need to worry for this because next day if you feel like it's already 10% off, right, we missed it. Like no need to feel for that one. We have so many options.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't get, so in that case, I'll mention the price where you need to buy. So I told here like clearly, if you get only around 392, 394 levels.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, actually, sometimes just say I have put my stop loss on 85 and the 5-minute candle is some gap down happened and the stock is trading below my stop loss like 83 and my order is not triggered, like stop loss order. So what do we do in that situation, sir?
We need to exit no other way. Like this all market as a market as a trader, we have to understand all these risks.
So we should exit on the market price.
Yeah. We have no other options, right? So this is first of all, everyone understands this. Market is subject to risk. Okay, there are huge risks are there. No, sir, we are trading based by accepting this risk only.
Yes, sir. Plus, sir, one general question, sir. Should we trade intraday on margins or like?
I don't use margin. I never use margin. Everything I'll buy on a CNC.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Bro, what is the miscellaneous group, bro?
I know that is, I'm going to remove that one. Like, I'm going to plan. I'm planning for all the intraday IS because I kept, some alerts for the miscellaneous groups, but it used to create, 30 to 40 alerts per day. Okay. Few are, feeling disturbed. Okay. I'm just working on this alert for, we are planning to reduce to 10 to 15 per day in next 1 or 2 weeks. Once that's done, like we'll enable that those alerts again to the miscellaneous group.
Okay, bro.
Till then wait. Okay. Then if you are not logged in, just go and log in www.algofusion.in site. Here you can see that the daily performance. If you want to check for the old performance, you can go and reports. You can click on this. This will be the alerts coming in today will be shown in this weekly alerts. In this case, reports you can see, you can check for the old date alerts. This reports will be there. If you have not logged in, you can create your own account. But still, the site is under development. There will be some issues. Please bear with us. In Fusion Scanner, you can track all this, F&O stocks trading under. Here, some scanners will be like you can see only Nifty 50 stocks. Sometimes, sometimes I'll add Fusion picks, right? So if I say any major breakdown, I'll add here. Currently, I haven't added anything here. So you can see this is our own alerts. Then if you want to see like volume spike, you can check this one. This show you gap up stocks. This will give you a gap down stocks. This can show you the stocks trading below above the previous day high, and this is stocks trading below the previous day low. This is you can track open equal to high. This here you can track open equal to low. You can track all this in the Fusion Scanner. If you want to track only metal stocks, you can click on metals. All metal stocks will be here. Media stocks, you can media stocks will be here.
These are Nifty 50 stocks, sir.
All F&O stocks.
F&O stock.
Okay. FMG you can track here, auto, like, right? So it all is a quick links. You can.
Sir, if we want to access one day before the which alerts are get ready, then there is any option here?
No, you can see if you around 8:45 on this. If you click on this watch list,
8:45.
So morning, right? You can check around. This will be in this watch list. My watch list won't. But let's say I have 20. Let's say right. So let's say I have created 20 alerts here, right? 20 alerts, but the watch list won't show you 20. This will show you only stocks about to trigger. Let's say the VBL
about to trigger.
Yeah. Okay. So the VBL is breakout level. I put here, right? 1019. Current price is like 973. The change means the difference between the current price and breakout level. So it has a chance. Difference is 4.8%. So it has chance of hitting tomorrow, or so you can.
So breakout should be at 1019.
Correct. Yeah.
And so, if we want to take a position for positional, then we have to place a order 1020.
Correct. Yeah. Yes. So you can check some here, right? So you can, the chart will also come up, right? This is work in progress. It will take 1 or 2 weeks to fix completely. And here you can see some momentum stocks. Let's say all the momentum stocks will be here. So with the charts, like you can see this and all. Like I'll pick usually momentum stocks from this list only.
Sir, for intraday, na?
This is for intraday.
Okay.
Then see, this is the consolidation list. Consolidation list is something like, right? Yeah. Let's say I used to see. Let's open any one of the chart here. I told something I pinged in the group, right? One second, I forgot the name. Yes, what is that? JMA. Okay, let's go to the JMA chart. Okay, see here, like if the stock consolidating like this, right? So it will come up in the consolidation list.
Okay.
So you can see where the consolidation is going on currently. You can enter. So this is all like, right? If you get after 1 or 2 months, you get experience with this alerts, these patterns. You can trade by your own. Like you don't need to wait for me. Like this all happens. Even I'm not sure. Like I can give the same kind of support once my office is reopened. So once I go to office, I may not able to post all trades. So this is the time, right? Since every chart comes up with the charts and everything, day by day, spend 1 or 2 hours to learn from these alerts where the breakout happens, why we are entering the trades, what is the pattern is forming after. So anyway, like, our alert system works like, right? In NSE, we have around 2,500 stocks. Okay, we every day we used to filter all the stocks. We used to send only 20 to 30 alerts. You can pick 1 or 2. Even if you're able to pick 1 or 2 per day, you can make huge money. Believe me. You no need to go for fancy options and all. So it has a huge risk. You can make the same money in the equity as well. So try to spare time for everyday learning what is pattern, what is everything. So not only just to go like, right, go and just place the order, exit the order, close the laptop and go for enjoyment. Don't do that like that. So
Got it, bro.
see, I spent, almost I have struggled the market for more than 17 years to establish a one system. It's not a 1 day work or 1 year work or 10 years work. So I struggled more than 17 years.
Sir, here you told this, like for example, JMA momentum update. Your LTP is 78.5. It means that it is for intraday, and we can enter into this stock.
Intraday, yeah. Intraday,
and we can enter into this stock as soon as possible, like in the market order.
If the around the 78, if you see the consolidation, if there is consolidation, let me
above VWAP.
Yeah, consolidation and above VWAP, like, right? If there is no consolidation, you don't enter. Let's say.
And for 5-minute chart.
Yeah, 5-minute chart. Let's say here, right? In this case, if you get alert around this level, right, I don't enter because where is your stop loss?
So what is the difference between momentum and your momentum stocks and your consolidation stocks? For momentum also, you are saying we need to wait for the consolidation. Then what is the difference between them? Like how you are judging this is for momentum and this is for consolidation?
Sorry, I didn't get your point.
Like you are saying that you have two sections. One is for momentum stock and another one is for consolidation stock. And for trading momentum stock, you are also saying that we need a consolidation.
See, the momentum stocks, wherever we are seeing like your volume peaks and the trend most, trending, like, right, the huge place is coming up. Like this is what,
for example,
momentum. So about, like, right, we have here, if you see here, so 45 stocks, but all may not have some consolidation. If you look at this consolidation, there will be only few, like, right, I haven't cleared up this data, but so all cannot happen without, all can go without consolidation as well. So this will show from the momentum list, this will show you only consolidated items.
The consolidation after happens, consolidation happens after momentum, right? Before momentum.
Before momentum.
See, anytime, like, right, so like the small concept, for now you can skip. See, whatever your momentum trades, like you consider only momentum trades, you take trade only when the momentum trade comes up. If you see nearby any consolidation, you can enter for that trade.
Okay. Can you show us by an chart, sir?
I'm sorry, I have also a question.
One second, I'll come to you. Okay.
For example, EIH hotel.
One second, let me see the EIH hotel. See, the momentum can pick any time, okay, like maybe at this point or this point, okay, this will come on alert. But if momentum comes in, I see the alert comes while this level, I just enter because this is like, right, this just, it has not moved much, but the same momentum alert comes around this level, I don't enter. Because there is, see, the previous day, it has a lot of consolidation. When this level is breakdown level, it cannot easily break down again. Okay, it has a huge chance of hitting your UC as well. But if you see here, like if you enter here, like where do you maintain your stop loss?
But in the previous year, sir, it is below VWAP. Consolidation is below VWAP.
Which one?
In the previous year,
the VWAP doesn't have role with the previous day and the current day. So you see the new VWAP is different from the old VWAP. Don't consider this one. See, this is consolidating for the last two days. If you see here, right, it's consolidating for last two days. For now, today is breaking out. Are we clear?
Yes.
Still so much confusion is there.
So, see this case, right? If momentum gaps in this kind, like this is what I was telling. If I see somewhere price constantly, let's say your breakout level is, let's say any point, right? This is the point. Okay, let's say you are getting alert at this level. If I see price traded around this level for 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I will enter this trade. If trade is coming from this level, it's already moved from 120 to 132. It's already moved around 10%. Still, I don't expect it's a huge run on this stock. So I'll simply reject this one. That's what I'm trying to say. Consolidation. This is what consolidation. Still, you are not clear that I'm not sure. How can I explain this?
All clear, sir. All clear.
Yeah.
Sir, you post the call. That call format is automatically generated or by someone?
That is all automatically generated. So
is there any? There is no option for SL, like SL is this like direct.
Yeah, SL. You are asking after all session. You are asking SL.
No.
This is a momentum trade. It's a momentum trade. One second. The momentum trade is all about intraday trade. Are you clear that one?
Yeah.
Then we have already clarified. Like VWAP is the only one point we use for the stop loss. So you are clear now. You got the point now. So okay, whenever alert getting, you check VWAP. That there is a huge difference. We don't enter. If there is less difference, we trade. If you see consolidation, we enter the trade and we assume that current VWAP value is the stop loss. If any candle close at VWAP and breaks, and will exit. That's it. We are done.
Okay.
I hope it's much clear now.
Sir, momentum stocks, I am repeating, momentum stocks, if it is below VAP, then we will close.
Momentum and intraday, both.
Okay.
Okay, see, so there is no difference between intraday and momentum, like, right? Momentum stocks, like, that's some name we kept for that one, like, it's a more, it's all intraday charts, like we used to trade only single day and we exit on once the, candle close to below VWAP and breaks down. In this case, right, if anyone traded this one, the simple stop loss is around this one. So as soon as this close to this one, we keep stop loss as this point.
Sir, that candle is already below VIP, right?
Yeah, we close to below VWAP. So I told you, right, if the candle is broken low, then we'll exit, right? This is the VWAP, right?
Yeah.
So at least, right, the same concept applies in the other part, right? In what we discussed in the super trend. So if candle close below, like exit 50% quantity, if low is broken, exit remaining quantity. There is no scientific rule for market. Okay, this is all like some probability. You work on the, okay, it's not a certainty.
Sir, we will try. Sir, what I'm saying is, we will try our level best, whatever you explained. But for few days, you give not always, but few trades. If you have time, for example, today you got 1 hour time where we have one open order. When you are seeing some VIP is coming down, please tell us that to book it.
So see here, right? If you, I usually update. Even I have updated today too.
You are update, sir, you are not updating. I'm not saying you are updating, but what we are saying is, please give us some time. 2 weeks, at least give us some time.
It will take some. Yeah, take your time. Don't expect. Don't disappoint in a single day. Don't make your decision.
I know everyone's brain is fully knowledge now. That's why I'm saying, whatever you do, right? For example, positional on Friday after market hours, you tell us the status of the positions what we have now. That's it. Okay. Only for 2 weeks you tell us.
Okay, even positional trades, right? Mostly that some few trades, right? I wouldn't have updated the common group as well because due to capital or something like, right, if I don't feel that is much comfort with that one, I don't take trade. Okay,
sir, no, sir, this week you gave 4 positional trades for suppose. Okay, for now we have opened positional trades for 6. Then this Friday after market hours, please give us a status. This is good, this is not good, this we need to see below this level. Yeah,
see, like here, like there's not only that this the problem is, right, we are working for algo for this strategy. Okay, so we are expecting to implement the copy trade. whenever I place the trades, then it will be the trade will be copied to users as well. We are working on that algo part, so it's taking time. It's a huge effort. That's why we could not able to spare time for that one.
No, simple Excel sheet tell us the open trades, what we have, what is good, what is not good, what we need to be cautious in next week. That's it.
Okay, yeah, let me try my best.
Yeah, Friday after market hours, sir, not before market hours.
Yeah, I understand because right in the, to work on this algo, we get only time in weekends. Okay.
Sir, are you doing FNO, stocks FNO?
FNO we do sometimes, like, based on the trend. Like sometimes we get a very good setup, we'll trade, otherwise we don't trade. So I don't say I don't trade completely FNO, we'll trade, okay, if there is very good setup, because it's a huge risk. If there is no proper setup, proper stop loss, we don't trade.
Sir, by your website, if someone wants to add in your watch list, what will be the next candidate to be breakout, then in from watch list section we have to add the stocks, or by other?
You know it. Add the weekly breakout will come automatically to this the screen. You cannot
watch list.
you cannot add any stocks by your own.
Okay,
this
by
is
your
everything.
post.
Yeah, this is all our scanners, and we added based on our filters and etc.
Only by your calls we can take entry.
Correct. Yes. Yeah. You cannot add manually, but yeah, there is a plan to add alert etc.
We can we can get an idea from your website, like.
Correct. Yeah. Maybe you can log in around 8:45 or 9, or sometimes I'll update 9 only. Sometimes I'll update previous night itself. You can log in and check what is in the queue for the next day. Maybe let's say if tomorrow morning 9 o'clock you log into the site, go to watch list, see what is the stocks so next in the queue. Like you can check
only just one question in my mind. For example, some one stock is its breakout level, right? And after that, after 5 minutes, it came down huge. Then in that case, what we can do?
That's why, like, positional trade is intraday trade. Positional trade.
No, for positional. For positional, for example,
if the breakout level is crossed, then we'll wait for the stop loss, super trend stop loss.
But you told us now for we have to look for super trend for weekly.
Correct,
not
weekly.
Daily.
Yeah.
But in the same day it will goes down. Then
we have to accept that one. That is a risk, right? We can't give 100% results in the market. See,
sorry, sir.
That is a risk that you have to take care.
So this watch list is updated for tomorrow.
Sorry.
This watch list is updated for tomorrow.
It's not yet updated again today. Like, I'll update tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not getting my answer now.
Madam, actually, you have to take the stop loss. You have to accept the stop loss. Okay. In the same
on
day
the
also.
On the same day also.
Yeah, correct. Yes.
Okay.
For positional.
Sarji, can we get the trading view logging for this app, which are you using software watch list and momentum list?
Yeah, you can. So I'll share the link. But due to so many users, we cannot share. Please do not share outside. Just I'll share in the group.
No.
Yeah.
No, it's for our personal use. Okay, for self use.
Yeah. You can register your own.
Because I think it's a very good thing you are invited right now. It's a very, very important for intraday in a cash stocks, because in option is a very risky right now. I also almost lost 2-3 lakh rupees. So it's a cash is a safe game, and it's a very good thing you invited.
One more thing, I humbly request, right? I'll be trading and I'll be working on my office work, and I'll be watching hundreds of stocks. Do not please ping me during the market hours. It's a really difficult for me to type. See, today I missed a couple of very good others, PNC and JMA, because few are keep on pinging me, asking questions, clarifications. So it's not only affect you and me, it will affect all other users as well. We have around now 150 users are there. Okay, if we miss one, I miss, you all will also miss. So
hey, Bala, Salish here. Hey, I want to share something, Bala.
Yeah, yes, Salesh.
Yeah, so guys, whoever are new to, I would like to say that I have been associated with Bala for close to 1 year now. We have a good bonding together, and with Algofusion, it's been a few months that I have been associated. I know that Bala and his team has done a tremendous job building this application from the scratch. So we know how much hard work he has put in, and I would say it's one of the best systems that I have seen right now. All we need to know is support Bala in this case. Okay, just wait for some time. Let's observe the charts. Okay, so whatever watch list we have, just try to observe the charts and see what the consolidation means. What's the momentum? See, everything you won't get to know in one day, right? Even in our school life, in our college life, we have to study for a particular syllabus. Then we get. So don't expect you'll get everything in one day. He has taken 17 years. I have taken 3-4 years. Other members have taken 20 years. Now they know the chart reading, everything. So just spend some kind of efforts and do not rely. This Algofusion is basically to make your work easier, not to make it happen like automatically, right? So you have to put in some efforts and accept the stop loss or whatever challenges, because the market may not support every day, right? When there is a gap up or gap down, all the stocks might not perform. Okay, so just observe the system, play with it, and then once you get the conviction, you'll see it's magic. So I would like to congratulate Bala and his team. Like I know after the IT office, he had spent so much of time working late night and then getting up and doing it again and building a system and then getting 150 plus members now active. It's really a congratulations job. Thanks, Bala. That's what I wanted to share.
Thank you, Salesh. Thank you so much.
Bala, I have question. This login you are providing the algo trades strategies. So we need to register for it, or you have the
No, you can
username
register
and
by your
password.
own. You can register by your own.
Okay, everyone can register for
Yeah,
you.
yeah,
Who
yeah,
are the
correct.
members?
Yeah, correct, yeah. So it's for only. So currently it's available for.
Bala, it is showing as it is loading. I am not able to register.
When did you try?
Maybe
now.
some internet problem is there.
Anyone facing the similar issue?
No,
See,
no,
and
no,
one
bro,
more thing. Yeah, please understand that
நான்
also.
இப்பதான் register பண்ணேன் bro. Correct.
Okay, yeah. So it's a it's a site is just under development. There could be some issues. So please understand that
Yeah, it's okay.
Please understand
No
that.
problem, bro. No problem. No problem.
Yeah, we can see a very good system. 1 or 1 or 2 months.
No, we will be patient, Bala. You are doing a great job. We need to wait. Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, thanks everyone. Yeah.
And another advice would be, if you are associated with many Telegram channels, I would request everyone to mute them, because in the market when you get so many updates, you get confused which one and which one. So if you are into this, focus only on one channel and see how it works.
Yeah.
ये चक्कर में रहोगे तो ये लोग सब बर्बाद करेंगे.
Okay, guys. Anything else? Any questions? I think it's
Yeah,
very
Bala sir.
good.
Yeah,
Hello.
Bala sir. I have one question. So basically, I'm just following the PA Learner Twitter handle. So I'm not sure. Are you running that or JK sir?
See, so JK is a part of Algofusion now. Okay.
Sorry, what is it?
JK is part of Algofusion now.
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we follow JK.
So we are working together.
Yeah, we follow JK sir from last 1 year, 1-2 years.
So we are working together.
Bala,
So,
there is a
you are
question is
Bala.
that I just go through a momentum list. Okay. There is a lots of stocks, almost 45 records, last trade price something. How much volume we count for the big movement, like average volume for the average stock? How much we'll calculate, like 50% or something?
That is like right. That is one difficult question. Like really, right? I think few have asked. This is Gaurav. Is Gaurav? Hello. Hello.
I think.
Are you able to hear me?
Who asked this question?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Oh, okay. See, this is right. This is one difficult question. Like, right? I'll open one more thing, right? I'll open one more chart. Like, right? Go to momentum.
Moment.
Like open.
Yeah, is your on tool or it's something different?
See here,
we have
right?
to look for?
If you see here, right, one can understand what is the role of the right volume. Let's see up to this breakout point, right? Even at this got into our alert the day, but up to this point there is no volume at all. See here, like, right? So there is a nil volumes, then volume picked up lightly, and there is no nil volumes. The stock consolidates for the more than 1 or 1.5 hours. Then once the breakout happened, the volumes comes up. So this case, I really confused, like, whether we took to pick because of the low volume. If you see this one, like, right, around Lokesh Lux induced, right? If you go to this. Around, I think when alert came up, or I think it's the stock around the stock volume around 49,000. I definitely go for it because of this consolidation. Because people will say there is a no volume, so we don't go for it. But I definitely go for it because of this consolidation. I don't give much importance when breakout happens for the volume. See, I give importance to volumes, but if in case of very low volumes, right, there is no volume at all in the in this candles, then I don't trade. But if you see almost at least low volumes also, if you see very good consolidation, I definitely go for it. It's I cannot say, I don't have the definite answer for this one.
Okay, Bala, no issues. Bala, the only last question is this Telegram channel will continue, right? We should not see the website and do the triggering, right? You will continue this Telegram channel
I continue post it, but my long run request, like I request everyone to spend some time to learn. That's what my long term request.
Yeah, we
always
will
don't
learn,
depend
Bala.
on someone. Okay.
Yeah.
So just try to learn from others. But any point of time, right, the others used to keep coming. Okay. So after 1 or 2 months, you should be in a position to trade by your own, like without expecting me to update.
Yeah, but after 1 or 2 months, you will remove subscription also.
No, I keep on posting as much as possible. I keep on posting. There will be subscription. Everything will be there.
Okay. No, I'm saying this alerts, if it is there in website only, then we can see the website only, I'm saying.
Sorry, I didn't get your point.
No, what I'm saying is after you are developing that website in a very good way, right?
Correct.
In future, if you develop that website to get auto populate the notification, then we can log into the website and take the alerts, I'm saying.
Let's see, like we have so many plans on that one will think after some point of time, like, right?
Yeah, fine.
So just now, like we are
just a suggestion.
Yeah. So right now we have completed order management. Okay, like for the copy trade, we have completed order management. Last couple of weeks we are testing that one. So once done, we will enable this copy trade. Okay, maybe few office goers not able to find time to trade, so we are enabling copy trade for them. Okay. So it's all in progress.
Let's integrated system.
Sorry.
Yeah, so it's a great. You are developing the automatic system which will find and optimize that orders.
Correct. Yeah.
My question is to JK sir. Sir, how efficient is it? Like, what is accuracy on this? You have been there from last 1 year, right? That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, you are asking about the accuracy of this system?
Yeah, not about the system, at least about the trades and all.
Yeah, we are trading this system on Algofusion. We are started just before 1-2 months, I think, and this system is only to trade momentum intraday stocks and some good position.
Okay.
So momentum intraday stocks, if you are able to catch it quickly, because intraday it needs very quick action.
Yeah.
Okay, from your side to identify momentum, consolidation, stop loss should be small. Okay, like this. So everything condition you must catch it quickly and able to initiate the trade quickly. Okay. Then only you will be able to gain that 4, 5, 6, 7% or 10%.
Yeah.
But for positionally, if you find the good setup, then you will do good. Positionally also no problem.
Yeah.
So accuracy wise, we are earning the money in by doing positionals and by doing intraday also. So there is no issue.
Maybe 80%.
Jagan, one
It all
correction.
depends on you. It all
Yeah.
depends on your level of understanding the chart. Okay.
Okay.
Jagan, this one, right? We are almost using this for last 10 months, if I'm correct, right? It's not 2 months. We are using this system for last. Momentum we are trading 1 or 2 months, but the whole positional system we are trading for last 10
कितने
months.
खाओगे? 2 या 3?
Bala,
Please
can you
mute
mute
yourself, madam. Madam, please mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Any questions, guys?
No,
Bala,
sir,
one
all
question. When you are coming up with the auto trade,
Hey, it will
what
take
we have
time.
discussed.
Same.
Understand. It's a difficult question. The last 2-3 weeks almost I have no sleep.
I am a like an office person, so I just want to put money and your system will take care of it.
Yeah, we are working on it, man. Yeah, we'll try.
That's the
Trying our best.
confidence I have. That's confidence I have in your system.
We'll try our best. Yeah,
Hello.
I cannot assume the timing. Now Jay can tell you that time. Can tell you that.
Everyone is asking about Bala, the auto function. Even I am asking 10 times in a day. Okay. And I know how much hard working they are really doing so much hard work.
Yeah.
Earlier, Bala, everyone, if you remember everyone in our group, earlier Bala used to sleep early, like 9 o'clock or like something.
Yes.
But
He
now
woke up
Bala
at
really,
4 o'clock.
yeah, now Bala continues sitting online. I saw him up in the night 1 o'clock also he's on the system. So he is doing a lot of hard work for improving the systems and everything. And maybe very soon the auto function. Okay. But we cannot
I will be the first person who will put money in the system.
And I have to tell one thing. So many people advise it to don't give tips to get the calls and all. So I already in my starting so many times I did that and I lost huge money. After that I never ever spent 1 rupee on tips or any calls for buying. But I started again for this because of I have confidence, like that's why I started here. Thank you, Balana.
Thank you so much.
Bala sir, Bala sir. I think some people are joined as batch 1, batch 2. So what is it? Can you please explain?
Sorry.
Yeah, some people joined with the name batch 1, batch 2.
So they are already part of our group. Last 1.5 years. Like they were part of JK group for 1.5 years. We have covered some technical.
I think your voice is breaking.
They are already part of our group last one year. Okay, they have part of JK group last 1.5 years for technical studies. Okay.
Okay.
Batch 1, batch 2 are they are the students for our previous technical.
Sessions here. Yeah, session technical classes.
Yeah, we did last year continuous 1 year mentoring for batch 1 and batch 2. Okay. So that's why they are writing batch 2.
Okay, guys. I think it's a time close out. Okay. Any questions?
Stopping la, bro.
Thank you.
எனக்கு காலையில எல்லாம் இந்த காலையில 9 to 10 11 o'clock எனக்கு பக்கத்துல தண்ணி எடுத்து குடிக்க கூட டைம் பத்த மாட்டேங்குதுங்க.
சாப்பிடுங்க bro first.
ஓகேங்க. சரி, ஓகேவா. Thanks everyone.
Thank you.
I'll share this session like print recording. Okay. So
Thank you so much.
You can ping me. Yeah, sure. Thanks everyone. Bye.
Jagan sir. Hello.
Hello.
Jagan sir is there.
Hello, Jagan.
Hello.
Everyone is leaving.
I think.
Hello.